We're first ones on the track like usual. We're getting some laps up and testing pit mode and stuff like that. Got to make sure that your quads can turn off.
Yeah, we're trying to get several quads to work at the same time. Get kill switches going.
All you guys out there, make sure your quads turn off. It's good for the race.
Hi, I'm Mark Ashton with the FPV WRA. Why don't you come on out and get you some wing racing in. We've got these massive gates provided by a bunch of different sponsors, and we've got 3 very large pylons. You can't miss us.
See here we got a big ass drone made by us, Soar Aerospace, colored carbon, big ass drone if I didn't reiterate that enough. And you know, we're just out here racing big drones this weekend, this Saturday. Check it out, X-Class.
We had a storm come through, we get about 35-mile-an-hour winds, whole thing flexed and came down, brought it back up. Now we're gonna try to get it all the way back up. We'll see how it goes.
My name is Billy Thomas. I am from Alaska, and we are drag racing drones.
In his chair, looking like he's ready to go.
All right, pilots, we're going to go live on the tone. The battle for the north, vertical drag race.
Wow, this drag racing is intense. I tell you what, you blink and they're gone. Drag racing, check it out here, micro track.
It's time for qualifying, baby.
Good morning, day 2 IO. Let's do this thing.
This is the life that I was born into. Ooh, this is the truth. So what you gonna do? Ooh, true. Grab it, pack it, bag it, make that deadline. Grab it, pack it, bag it, make that deadline. Grab it, pack it, bag it, make that deadline. Grab it, pack it, bag it, make that deadline. Grab it, pack it, bag it, make that deadline. Grab it, pack it, bag it, make that deadline. Grab it, pack it, bag it, make that deadline. Grab it, pack it, bag it. Dollar sign, gotta reach this deadline, and I might get fed time. I'm tryna bend this corner, pull up on her with these headlights high. Will she hand me the knot? Then it can't be no cop, so I won't have no option but to let the thing pop when the block get hot. Count them down like 1, 1, 2. Cause I'm not going back in, so these pigs better watch out for action. I'm packing about 6, 7, 8 like 11s with silencers on them and Mac 10s. And after I lay them down, I'm counting my stacks in, laying it down and breaking the pack.
What up, everybody? I'm Lunchbox FPV here at MultiGP IO 2018. What an event! We were here last year, and this place is just awesome. Over 800 pilots, I think, 8 racetracks. And we are here today doing the Family Zone. So what is the Family Zone? Well, first step in getting into drones is learning about drones. So we set up some little games over here. We set up a couple of different obstacle courses and gates, and we're letting people get a hands-on experience with little drones, micro drones, and hopefully getting people to learn a little bit more about it, get excited, and you know, join our awesome hobby of what we're doing out here.
Jump, jump, chicka. Jump, jump, chicka. Oh, jump, jump, chicka. Jump, jump, chicka. Jump, jump, chicka. Jump, jump, chicka. Jump, jump, chicka.
Hey guys, it's Tom the Bomb from Horizon Hobby. That's my pilot name, but really I'm Tom Cogswell from Horizon Hobby and Spectrum RC, and we're at the Tiny Whoop track. This party is raging right next to the wing track. Let's go check it out.
And we are here in the Tiny Whoop track. This thing is lit, literally lit. I mean, they have the most elaborate setup. Jesse Perkins from Tiny Whoop making it happen for all his fans out here. I mean, every type of LED gate that you can imagine is here. It goes indoors, outdoors. You gotta come check it out.